Hello fellow singer, it's Mimi here, and in this video you can do a quick quiet vocal practice routine with me to improve your singing and vocal health without worrying about making too much noise. Don't let the simplicity and the quietness of these exercises fool you. This routine is great for improving your singing technique, reduce training and constriction, and help you to sing without running out of air. Remember to come back to this routine daily to consistently practice your singing. This routine is for beginner singers. Always remember to be kind and patient with your learning, and don't worry too much about the sound. Instead, tune into the sensations in your body as you practice, and remember not to do anything that hurts, tickles or scratches your throat. Let's begin our quiet, lovely practice session. We're gonna start with breathing, and we're just gonna wake up our system to find the diaphragm breathing. For this one, we will use the hissing sound to push all of the air out, really using the abdominal muscles. There will be some tension building up. And then for the inhalation, we just let go of the tension and let the air drop in. So you don't have to pull the air in, just let it happen and see what the amount of air is that automatically comes in. Let's try this. It would look like this. Then relax the belly and let the air drop in. Yes, let's try it again. Everything out. Relax, let the air drop in. Nice. Let's do it one more time. Everything out. And relax, let the air drop in. Amazing. You can keep your hands on your belly to really feel the movement in your lower belly to make sure that you let go of the tension in the abdominal muscles. And now let's start to use our voice really quietly. We're going to use the NG sound. You can find it by saying sing and staying with the NG sound, or go straight to the NG sound. And let's first just find this sound. Make sure that your belly is relaxed and you're not pushing too much. You can add a little bit of that cry feeling and think about like a little whimpering sound within your own comfortable range. Let's try a little bit before doing it with the piano. This might feel a bit easier as we go higher. We're gonna start from here, going from the root note to the fifth and back to the root note. We are doing little slides here. Really quiet and bright tone. Let's try from here with a sing or straight to the NG sound. And try to make the beginning of the sound as smooth as possible. Let's go from here. Amazing. No need to breathe a lot of air in. Just a comfortable amount. We are going lower now. Feel the belly move each time you relax for the inhalation. A little whispering feeling. Movement can help also. bit lower than where we started. Let's leave it there. Well done. The second exercise we're going to do is a lip thrill. Let's try this sound first without the piano. Some people struggle with this lip thrill sound. You can try also to put your fingers on each side of your mouth to find the perfect position that might help you to achieve this sound. Try to keep your lips really, really relaxed. You can also use the puffy cheek sound. We are gonna try a bit of a different type of a melody pattern. It will sound like this. And if you find it challenging to find the right note or the accuracy isn't quite there, don't worry, just try your best and every time you will learn a little bit more. Let's go from here with the lip thrill or puffy cheeks. You can try movements. That might help. Make sure that the sound doesn't get louder as you go to the higher notes. We're going lower now. Well done. Is your belly relaxed? And last one. Well done. And then we are going to add a little bit of twang practice, even though this routine is a quiet practice, but we are gonna find a quiet twangy sound, or as quiet as we can. Let's try and find it through a cat sound and think of making like a very tiny baby cat sound. It would sound like this. Meow. It would sound like this. And with a meow. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, let's try that together. So from here. Meow, meow, meow. We are going higher. Meow, meow, meow. Very quiet sound. Meow, meow, meow. And last one. Meow, meow, meow. 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 And now it's probably getting a bit tricky to hold on to that quiet tone as we go lower, but let's try a few more. Do your best. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. And last one. Meow, meow, meow. Make sure that the belly is relaxed. finished. Well done. Well done, you are doing great. Remember to keep coming back to this practice routine daily to practice your voice consistently. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sing with Mimi to keep learning more about singing and getting to know your wonderful voice. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which exercise you like the most. I will see you back here soon. Bye now. Bye 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 bye.